Hello all and welcome to Carigar. Today we'll talk about two new products from our 5-star series, that is 2-26 and 2-20 Rotary Hammers. Now during the process we'll talk about what do we have to offer, what Carigar has to offer, what do we have in these products, and let's see without wasting any time further. So let's start with the 2-26. So first talk about what is it that we have to offer and what is it that we have to provide in 2-26. So if you look at the box, now that's the Carigar box of 2-26. The specifications are mentioned on the corner. So you can see the motor is powered with 800 watts. The beats per minute is 900. And as the 2-26 signifies, 26 is the 26 millimeter. So these are the basic specifications about 2-26. 2-20 signifies 20 millimeters, so that's how the names have been derived. So that's about 2-26 and 2-20. Now, let's unbox the product further and see to it what do we have to offer. Now, if you look at the box, it's a sturdy box, a double layer for protection. In terms of transportation, the machine won't get damaged. Now, let me show you what we have inside the product. First and foremost, like in all the videos, we will talk about the user manual. Now, if you look at the user manual, there is something special about it. Now, this manual has been made by the Carigars for the Carigar. When I say by the Carigars, this has been developed in-house. Each and every detailing has been put in such a way that is easy to understand. We talk about the company, the product, the do's and how we should handle the product. So this is more or less about the user manual. Now we will look into the product. So this is 2-26. Now it's a heavy machine and it weighs 3 kg. Now if you look at the length of the cable, the length of the cable is approximately 2 meters. Now, what do we have in here? Now, if you look at the handle, now the handle can be used for a left-hander. It can move on the left-hand side for a right-hander. What else do we have? You can see the knob over here. Now, this knob, at this point of time, I can use it for hammering and drilling only. The switch over here is the forward and reverse. So 2-26 comes with forward and reverse function as well. Now, if you look at the trigger, there is a continuous lock over here. So there you can lock the trigger. This is more or less about the layout. Ergonomics is good. It is comfortable to use, it's easy to use, and I feel comfortable holding this particular product. Now, let's come that what else do we get with this particular product. So, this particular thing, you can gauge the depth, as in how much drilling needs to be done. So, we can mark this particular thing by putting it over here. So, this is one thing which you get with this. Along with that, you have different bits of different sizes. Base for drilling, hammering, chiseling as well. So I'm going to showcase you and we will try to fit one of the bits in the SDS slot. So this comes with the SDS slot. These are the different types of attachments, that bits that you would get. Drill bits. Another bit. And one more. I'll keep the box for the time being. Now SDS by the term means slotted drive shaft. So how does that function? Now for example, if we take this particular chisel, there is a slot over here. So we need to figure about that slot. That's how the function is going to be. It's easy to use, robust, and yes, it's from the Carigar's 5-star table. So this is more or less about 2-26. Now if I talk about a 2-20, it's a smaller version of 2-26. Yeah, the same user manual designed by Carigar. More or less, if you look at it, the functioning would be the same. Yes, it does not have the chiseling feature and it does not go reverse. So that is something about 2-20. The rest, all the features and functions are the same. So this is what we have to offer from Carigar 5-star series 2-20 and 2-26. Now it is important that whenever we use any power tool, it is important to use the safety measures. That means you should wear helmet, glasses, mask, gloves, earplugs. Now these things are the most important things that should be followed, and at Carigar we try to promote the safe practices, and that's all that I have for all of you today. So thank you for watching, and thank you so much. Have a great day.